Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how to start wooden furniture business. Start your wooden furniture business. About wooden furniture business. Irrespective of furniture technology, the wooden furniture remains the first preference for buyers. Current market trend. There is a demand for the modern contemporary wooden furniture with affordable price. Trend is healthy. You can go ahead. Level of competition. It is medium to high with the presence of online furniture stores. With proper plan, you can do well. Stylish and affordable furniture would help you in taking a lead above the rest. The future of wooden furniture business. The future seems to be good at least for 10 years down the lane. Brand and support are the key. We see a window of opportunity for the next 10-year period. Even more. Who can start furniture business? Any individual who is having interest in making and selling stylish wooden furniture should have knowledge in furniture industry. You must have good rapport in local market as well. Suitable location for furniture business. Showroom. Ideally should be in a prime locality on the main road where footfalls are more. Warehouse. A room of 3,000 square feet. Spacious enough to accommodate furniture and accessories. Skill set you need. Understanding the market scenario and trends. Marketing skill including sales and online marketing. You should know how to handle consignment, transportation, vendors, and customers support team. Level of risk in this business. The risk is high, 'cause old companies have already established their brand. It takes time. Pricing and design play a vital role. Added to this, you should have buffer fund. Technical aspect of this business. You need to learn how to operate machine. You also need to learn how to bend, cut, and shape. Added to this, you need know how to polish, smoothing, laminate, and spring. Machinery and equipment cost. Total cost is 3,50,000 rupees. Blade grinder with motor. Hand drill machine. 15 inches combo max planner. 3 HP single phase motor. Sander machine. Drilling machine. 12 inches planer Rexo. And cutter. Raw materials cost and wages. The raw material required with wages for the workers for a month comes close to 2 lakh rupees. Where to get raw materials? Raw materials are available easily from website like IndiaMart, Alibaba, and other B2B sites. Quality and certification. No nodal authority to leverage the quality is available, but you can go for ISO and BIFMA. Investment, machinery, working capital, and wages. The total working capital including material, wages and utilities comes around 6 lakh rupees. Monthly recurring cost is 2 lakh including raw material, wages, rent, and power consumption. How to get a loan for furniture business. With an own capital of 20%. You all set to start this business with 80% loan. You can avail this loan from Mudra Bank, Nationalized Bank, Private Bank, and Cooperative Bank. Profit feasibility in this business. On an average, you can get a profit of 25 to 30% in a year. In order to achieve this, you need work on sales, support team and digital marketing. Admin work. You need a dedicated team who is responsible sales, transportation, and vendor management. Keep separate team for account, creative, digital marketing, and support. Infrastructure you need for a showroom, commercial building with beautiful interiors, decor, lights, and sales staff. For a warehouse, ideally a 2,000 square feet building with continuous power supply. Team building, staff. Offline. A good team of customer-friendly staff. Artisans, carpenters, and laborers for transport. Online. Recommend a good team of web developers, graphic designers, and customer care staff. Marketing plan. Offline. Pamphlets, roadside hoardings, banner and catalogs. Online. A full-fledged website integrated with Facebook, YouTube. Run AdWords for speedy marketing. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this furniture business video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. You have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.